Hello, lovelies. I'm cookbook author and TV show host, Chef Angela Michelle. I love food. I love shopping for fresh ingredients. I love using herbs and spices, all of these things to create beautiful culinary masterpieces. And that's why I'm here. I want to show you how to create these dishes in your own home. Everything, absolutely everything from fruit, seafood, Asian food. We also have Indian food. You can use chicken, beef, seafood, even plant-based. All here, all for you on Delicious Dish Demos by myself, Chef Angela Michelle, presented by Culinary Kisses. Food and kisses. Now enjoy the next demo. Hi, I'm Chef Angela Michelle, and this is my culinary interpretation of Israeli Shakshuka. There's something magical about the combination of eggs and tomatoes, right? Well, you add a little feta cheese to that, add a little toasted bread to that, and you have a wonderfully warm, delectable, delicious meal. So keep watching to see how I pull all of this together, and then head over to my blog From the Catwalk to the Kitchen and download the recipes today. Israeli Shakshuka. A warm, delicious dish that will warm your soul. Let's start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees. Get some good ingredients in here like tomato sauce, paste, diced tomatoes, roasted red bell pepper, garlic, onions. But wait, the party doesn't stop there. We have to add our spices and seasonings. Get all of that in there and then top it off with a little sugar to balance out the acidity in all those tomatoes. And let's blend it together. Now, we need to warm that sauce a little bit so all of those flavors can come together before we build our shakshuka. Heat the sauce. Go ahead and give it a little stir. Yes, that looks good. Bubble, 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 bubble. Okay, let's make our wells for our eggs. There's one egg. Nicely done. Okay, 2 eggs. Let's not stop there. Let's add one more for 3 eggs. Now let's bake it in the oven anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes, depending on how well you want your eggs done. In the meantime, go ahead and slice some bread because you're gonna need something to soak up all of that delicious sauce with. Let's go for 3 this time. And there you have it. Our shakshuka is done. Take it out of the oven. Oh, okay, can we appreciate this moment for a second? Doesn't that look good? Okay, now, you know I like to make my dishes look cute. So we have some greenery. We're going to garnish with a little bit of chives, parsley, a little feta cheese, a little drizzle of olive oil. I'm drooling. That looks delicious. Okay, but wait a minute. Time to bring on the bread. I want a little taste. Let's see. There we go. Bring it in for a close-up. What? Yes, please. Yes, please. Oh, take a bite. That is definitely delicious. Your Israeli shakshuka, brought to you by yours truly, Chef Angela Michelle. Food and kisses.